Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to withdraw your BNB from a Tangem wallet to your Revolut account in 2025, you're in the right spot. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're new to crypto or just refreshing your skills, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can handle your funds securely and efficiently. First off, make sure you have both your Tangem wallet and Revolut app set up and verified. Tangem is a secure hardware wallet, perfect for storing BNB, and Revolut allows easy crypto management. Always double-check that Revolut supports BNB on the BNB Smart Chain network. It's the standard for 2025 transactions. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. This ensures your assets stay protected. Step 2. Navigate to the Send or Withdraw section in the app. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you're transferring. You'll see options for the network. Confirm it's set to BNB Smart Chain to match Revolut's requirements. Step 3. In your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, find your BNB wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it accurately to prevent errors. Step 4. Back in Tangem, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, and don't forget to check for any transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including the amount, address, and fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm. You might need to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a second PIN. After that, sit back and wait. Transactions usually take a few minutes, but it could be longer depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the BNB has arrived. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Tangem or Revolut support. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn BNB to Revolut. This method keeps your crypto secure while making it accessible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.